Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today is a very special day because I got a new haircut, finally. It's very important news. After 126 days, I finally got my haircut. And I also got a new guitar from PRS. Okay, so we've got bird inlays. This is a maple fretboard. Bird inlays, I have no idea what birds these are, but some of you bird enthusiasts and bird watchers can surely tell me what birds are on the actual inlay. So far I can only tell that this one here is a swallow. And that's about it. I really do like the color, to be honest. Initially I ordered this guitar as a joke, just to annoy my friends, but I'm actually really digging the color. It's like if a Hello Kitty guitar spent $2,299 plus tax on a dress. That's what it will look like. It will look like this, pretty much. So long story short, I like this guitar a lot already.
I like it a lot.
Haven't even played it yet properly. But neck feels great, looks great, and I'm sure it will sound great as well. I like this guitar so much that I even gave it a name for the first time, and I decided to call it Mother of My Children. Smells like one too. Anyway, you clicked on this video for a thorough professional guitar review on this guitar, so I'm going to do my thorough review. Oh yeah, the neck is really thick. Thanks for watching. Oh, thank you for Joe from Sweetwater for sending me this guitar. I love it. You can go now. This is the end of the video. Like seriously, this is it. Thank you for watching. Until next time.